Welcome back to Down the Frame, guys. Today we're going to be working on the 1985 Bayliner Capri. This boat restoration has been about 34 parts long over the course of the last year. So if you guys haven't checked out any of the other previous videos, check them out. If you like them, hit that subscribe button. And our comments are pretty wild. If you want to learn a lot of stuff about boats or anything like that, you're going to find a lot of information down in the comments. Interact with the people down there. They know what they're talking about. They've helped us out a lot. So without further ado, let's get down the frame. Oh, it's a bit moist in here. Oh, that's a big bug. Lots of condensation on the top of this. I mean, it rained a ton. So all of this soil below us is just soaked. And there's water in the boat. Well, last week, or last video I should say, we placed a brick on that stringer to kind of tack it into place, and it appears to be pretty strong. I'm gonna jump up there in a second, but oh man, I just don't want to drag a bunch of mud in the boat. One of the things we do have to do is sand down all of that thickened resin, which inherently is a brittle method. Ooh. Oh man, there's actually like a lot of water. Yeah, so as you can see, some cracks did form. That's okay. I'm going to go through and sand like all of this down, try to get it smooth enough to fiberglass over it, and those cracks won't really matter too much. How does this side look? Oh yeah. We also mixed it a little hot. So if you watched the last video, you'd know what was going on with that. This stuff got really hot because the weather was really hot, and I should have mixed less hardener in the resin so it didn't cook as fast and as hot. Yeah, there's some, it's not perfect, but we're gonna sand it down as best we can and fiberglass over it. We need to get this part done. All right, let's take a look at this stringer. Now, Jake and I's method was to place this on top to kind of tack it in, and I think that worked pretty well. Oh yeah, she's in there. Now, we didn't tack it all in, but we did tack the center in. So, oh my God. Some of that water just dropped on me, and it's actually like hot. Wow, that's impressive. There's a decent amount of water in this boat. I don't know how to dry this. I need like a dehumidifier or something set up in here. Alright, so remember when I said that if you make a mistake fiberglassing, it can be, pretty easily repaired? Well, that ends up in grinding, which isn't hard, just sucks. That's what I had to do. We didn't really mess up, but using that filler makes it super sharp. You gotta grind it down, take all the hills and valleys out and the sharp points, so it's pretty smooth in there, but grinding fiberglass, it's work. Okay, day 2. So that grinding is getting to be a mess, and typically I use the Odessa dust filter or dust separator, air dust separator, but I didn't have it hooked up because it's a pain in the butt, and if you know anything about project management or completing a project, having an efficient workflow is necessary. So what I'm gonna do is take that vacuum out, take the air dust separator out, and combine them, put them together so it stops falling apart and tipping over in the boat. Let's get to it. This place is just covered in dust. Okay, that took way too long and was very messy. Let's hop in the boat and clean it. All right, well, it looks like the fillets is what actually people are calling them down in the comments section. So what we're going to do is do a test piece. I'm going to soak this on the board back there, bring it, and try to lay it out. Wish me luck. Just kidding, I need to prep the surface first. My alarm's going off. It means it's time to get out of here. Looks like it's about to rain too. So honestly guys, the fillets that we did, amazing. Well, probably one of the better decisions we made. It was definitely a little bit more work than, I don't know, just kind of going over the edges with a sander, edges of the Coosa with a sander or a router. The fillets make a nice, slight, keep thinking I'm hearing rain, but a nice slope for the fiberglass to conform to, and it sticks really well. I'm very happy with the way it came out, very surprised actually. So I did 2 layers of 1708 on the left side. I'm hoping to do 3 on all sides, or on all pieces. So 3 layers of 1708 per piece of Coosa. And then that's gonna finish off the transom. We're gonna let it cure, and then we'll have to come back with a jigsaw or something to cut out the hole where the outboard is gonna go. It's coming together. Thank you guys for all the advice in the comments. You guys are killing it. You guys are helping us so much. That and Andy from Boatworks today, he also gives a lot of good information. Shout out to Total Boat, not sponsored at all, but I've been purchasing from them, and their little kits of resin come with measurement marks on each of the bottles. The hardener and the resins all come with super easy to follow instructions, and it's a really nice, easy system for their polyester as well as their epoxy resin. And that's what I'll be using probably for the rest of the boat build. But I went through 3 pots of resin. I think it was 3, maybe 4, of 350 milliliters of resin. So we're humming through resin with the 1708, but you really got to get it soaked and make sure everything sets properly. Hey guys, if you want a video of me kind of just explaining maybe the top 5 things to look out for when you buy a used boat, and if you just want to restore a used boat, if you want a video like that, top 5 things, leave a comment down below. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you next time on Down on the Frame.